star pickets outline the house. I'm actually walking through the centre of the house right there, coming up to the middle of the house there where that white control is. It's our intentions to use the drone to film the house being constructed. The drone actually flies on this pre-programmed mission. It's now flying down the end of the east end of the house, swinging around to the northern side. So it's June at the moment. You can see the shadow there. This is the back of the house. Coming down to the corner of the house there now, on the western end.